Hi guys, welcome to my channel Krisha Carey Talks. So hope in the last video, as I told you guys to create an Salesforce Trailhead account, I think you have done that. Definitely do comment whether you are facing any issues, and also it's like as it's a sort of a group of people learning this program, and any questions definitely you can come up with this. And if anybody knows the answers, definitely they can answer to the comments as well. No need of me only commenting it for the answer. You guys can also pick up the known answers. You can even reply to the questions raised in the about the video, right? So open the Google, and when you type Salesforce Trailhead here, so as I am showing here, so when you type it, then you can see here Salesforce Trailhead, so at the top, right? So you just click on the link Trailhead, the fun way to learn Salesforce. So when you click on the link, so it will be like this page will be loaded, wherein here we have a sign up, right? So that sign up, you click on that sign up and you try to enter your whatever the data it is asking. And yeah, so after you sign up with all the details, because as I'm a like already I have with so and so name with my name, hence I just log in into that. But you guys sign up and try to create your own account. Probably you can take go with a Google, and you have to create one account in Trailhead. So I think this week assignment is something like just creating an account in Trailhead. So after you create, so so it will load this page with the details about myself with my profile. When I click it, it will give you all my details about how many badges I have won and all these things, and what rank I hold and all this. So like this you can earn more points with the ranks as well. And these points and the ranks, definitely it will add to your resume. You can add it in the resume saying that in Trailhead you had so and so rank. So yeah, I have a Trailhead ranger rank based on my points. So it decides totally upon the completion of modules and the points you are getting, you will be getting the rank. So this how you just create one account. And do let me know in comments in case if you're facing any problem while creating an account. In today's video we talk about like from the scratch of how, like what is the process that is followed when a Salesforce project is implemented, from the scratch to the end of a project. What is the process we are all we generally undergo, and what are the job roles in between their activities played by them. Those we'll discuss on this. And yes, definitely if we time permits, then we can just in the Trailhead I try to explain you about the Salesforce ecosystem. And probably as the hands-on definitely going to start in the next week uh, of day 3. So guys, meanwhile you be comfortable with the Salesforce CRM, and yeah, we'll be starting in the next week, right? So as I said, like yeah, before I moving ahead, so in case if you're new to the channel, guys, you previous videos whatever you have, you watch on this and you come to this video. And yeah, if you want to support your mentor, definitely with a 1 like and 1 subscribe, and yeah, 1 share as well. So okay guys, so let's start and move further on the video. So when I'm saying about Salesforce project, exactly how it works is like, think that any client, actually when I was working, take it like the university has reached to our company to and getting the requirements to us to provide like one application for their university in Salesforce. So we are like in the process of collecting the requirements. So wherein the role played by collecting all the requirements, constant touch with the clients, and getting a clear picture about the requirements, and hence clearing the doubts when developers ask about the whether this requirement is correct or not based on the design. Is these all the roles or the activities played by Salesforce, a business analyst, we can say. So whenever we get the requirements from a client, so we'll be recording all the requirements, and the constant calls will happen with the client, and a BA plays a very important role here. And yeah, they think that yes, because it's a agile methodology, it's something like some sort of a module. They have discussed for the requirements, and they have put an end dates. So till today we start and we'll end probably by next month I want this module. So this how the talks go on with BAs, with us solution architects and all. So after we getting the requirements finalized from BA, so then comes the requirements which are reviewed by Salesforce architect. He becomes like a major role where to create like to convert those requirements into design. So frequently they have calls with the business analysts as well as the developers as well include in making like finalizing the design, because developers are the guys who need to like convert those design part, whatever the design is done, into development. So hence even these people also included. And after the Salesforce architect has finalized the design, and here comes admin, like whatever the application configurations part, whatever to be done, that is we need to give a security to the application, that is means we need to secure the data, how we need to configure the few automations. So no worries, you relax, I'm coming videos, I'm going to tell you more about those concepts. But the thing is admin, he take care, like if you want to migrate the data from one system to other. So these are the activities which are done by the Salesforce admin. So after the admin is doing his job parallelly, developers pick up the design part. They understand the database model, sorry. So they understand the database model, and they try to pick up all the like database understandings, and they make clear with what all to develop, and any questions, queries, they will be in constant connect with a solution architect or else with a project manager, and they try to be in like starting their work in the development. So this all it goes like the development is done, and now it is the code is like posted into other environment which we call as QA, that means quality analysis is to be done to that application. So hence here come, if they think that the code is working fine with all the test cases whatever they have written, and they have analyzed about like the negative and positive test cases. So if they are confirmed with their test cases working all fine in either of the scenarios, then they push the code to user acceptance testing, wherein the client, customers, whoever, so they'll come into picture. They try to test the application based on the requirements, if it is working fine. So and then they think it's all like, yeah, it's all like working very fine with the requirements. So they have a monthly release. So for this month probably we have closed some 10 defects. So these all the code that totally pushed into production environment, wherein the live, it's a live, wherein all the clients, all the customers, they'll be working on the live environment. So this how the process goes, like whenever we got a Salesforce project till the end, these are the roles and these are all the people, like they'll be working until the project is done. And finally it will every month we are like based on the requirements or enhancements, it will be assigned to developers and we are going to work on it. And after totally it is freeze that yes, it's working fine with our requirements, and we no need of any enhancements. If they think that, then then they put this application into production support, which means, so it's like the application will be in a support mode. So while the customers are testing, and in case in any situation if the scenario is not working, then they get back to corresponding project managers, and they'll be reporting the defects, and those defects will be recorded in Jira, and it will be assigned to developers. So developers code it, debug it, and put that code in testing environment. Testers test it, they finalize, and they put that code in UAT. So UAT in turn, the code will be moved to production with the solved defects. So this how it goes in a some sort of a recurring mode until the support is and the support is provided. So from day 2 video about Salesforce real-time exposure for you guys. So from next day 3 onwards, we start our hands-on, starting with the Salesforce admin. Thank you.